folks, it's me again. What do I got? Bag of tricks. This time, I don't know if I should do it what's in the bag. I'm gonna do one at a time. You know what? I'll put the bag over here because the bag's pretty boring today. So we're gonna go by whatever I take out of the bag, I'll make a video of. First of all, if anybody watches this channel, you probably already know I tend to like collecting, buying things like this, you know, different brands, check them out. So just in case you're wondering, I might have picked up one of these. This one's ugly. It's ugly. This is a vintage Vicegrip 310R. There's a 310S, which is longer, and a 310R. These, I don't, excuse me, I don't own any of these because I'm not paying $149 for this in pristine condition. Yeah, I might be a diehard, but you know, I have my limits. I'm not paying, like I'll pay 40 bucks for a pair of Vicegrips, but this is like, anyway, this is a 310. I have a feeling I know why they discontinued them. Basically, it's what it does. Locks on. This definitely isn't original, this little wing nut. I looked on some of the ones on eBay. There's an acorn nut on there. I'll show you. If you look on here, you can take this off. And I don't know if you can turn it around or what, but take this off. There's supposed to be a little shorter bolt. The other bolt on the original one, I think, is knurled. I'm not sure. But you can take this bolt out right here. It came out last time. Ah! Of course, I just dropped it on the floor. Hold on. Let me pause. Hello, folks. That was a mess and a half. Anyway, I was showing you. This little piece here is not original. It says PMC. Oh, maybe it is original. But on here, this comes out. This comes off there, and I guess you could put it on this way too. Does not. Well, what doesn't come off too. Yeah, it kind of stays there. And there's a little, I don't know if it's tapered on the end or there's a little piece here and a little bend here, so it doesn't come off all the way. This has got a, looks like, it honestly looks like they, it looks like it used to be this part here. There's like a round, like they took a round nub and put it in here. Then they just lopped this piece off. Looks like they lopped this off because it was, the original piece goes on here. And then just cut it. I feel like if I had enough patience and metal that thick, I probably could make one of these. Basically by chopping one of these up. Doesn't seem too, but then what would be the purpose? Because then they make those 20-inch ones. But it's pretty cool. I want to see if I can replate this. And so anyway, that goes in here like this. The little pin goes in here, like so, very shittily. Come on, get in there. Get in there. There we go. This one's rusty and crusty because, like I said, I don't have the money for the big, fancy, expensive ones. I paid real cheap. Usually these things are over $100. I got this for peanuts, like literally peanuts. Oh yeah, I gotta put this back on for it. Yeah, you don't want to. I'm not dropping this on the floor again. That was I really should clean under my bench because there's like stuff in there I haven't seen in a while. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of here now. Need something that looks like a hammer. Oh, here we go. That's a good hammer. There we go. There we go. Oh, da, da, da. Okay. All right. Put that back on there. Ta-da! Put that back on here. I think it went in this way. Let's try it the other way. Hoorah! There we go. It's got a wiggle in there. Maybe it does go on the other side. No, so see. There we go. I don't think it's the right one. Definitely not. So anyway, yeah, all the brand new ones I see on eBay, I kind of looked at their pictures and I was like, oh, a little acorn nut. So it does come out Never had one of these before. I thought it was really cool. You just get something to put in here. What could I squeeze in the middle? Yeah, that's too small. That's too heavy. What else I got here? There's got to be something. Here, let's pretend here. Guess you could go like this. And then just kind of clamp it. I know it doesn't do justice, but you can still clamp it on here. Just give it a little... Still clamps, so it works. Even you can't see it. I know you can do plating, but I don't know what kind of plate color they put on here on Vicegrips. This is the Peterson DeWitt Vicegrips. These are the original Vicegrips, not the Irwin one. So that's a pretty unique little thing here. It was I troll eBay, I look for these things, and voila, finally got one after, I don't know, looking at them sail by at anywhere from, what, $149 to $200 a piece. Most of the ones which I don't buy are the ones that are brand new in the package. I don't buy anything that's new old stock, still had a package on it. Because at some point I'm actually going to use this. Some point. But I know a lot of people who collect stuff in the box. I don't want the box. I want something I could collect and use, because I'm weird like that. So yeah, you can still cling. I think these are cool. I like the old Peterson ones. Anyway, with that, this is a Vicegrip video. Yeah, say cheese to the Vicegrip. I wonder if you could probably... I was also thinking, believe it or not, this bar seems pretty easy to replicate. I could make a longer bar myself. It's just bar stock. I don't know if... I don't think this is heat treated. I think it's just very short, so it won't really bend that much. I mean, I don't think you'd heat treat it. Would this bar even be heat treated? I don't think so. I think it's just a nice sturdy, what? How thick is this? 1/4 inch bar? Let's see. Yeah, 1/4 inch thick by 1/4 inch by 1 inch. So I take get another bar. I could tape it in, drill a hole in it, match it up, and just pop a hole in here. Don't know what this hole is for, but yeah, simple thing. I'm gonna, maybe in a video I'll try to make another bar. I think I have some bar that's this thick. If not, I'll go get a 20-footer, cut it up, throw it in my truck, and make a whole bunch of them. Yeah, some fun. If I can find another rusty one, I'll get another one. And when I get my little plating chemicals, maybe I'll coat it with something. So anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And I'll try not to drop more bolts on the floor and throughout the videos. Toodles. Where's the damn button? What the hell with it?